You don't?
Mum's patatas is good.
Children Mundo. We're going to have the house cam.
A mix when we have all two choices.
No, that's Amber Head. Do that before you go to yeah.
Like
Thank you very much. Oh, that's great. Thank you very much.
Caused by remote access to its surviving computer privacy gypsy who had supplied the system. Despite this, some villagers assumed they'd stolen the money.
We were just delighted. It was 4,000.
The person who acted for the sub-postmasters has never seen a report was swallowed up in legal fees. Lord Arbuthnot has been a long-time campaigner on behalf of the postmasters. Contested over the century in 1996.
Oh, wow.
But it hasn't been seen in Perth for more than 7.
I think it brings us all together as a nation, and it makes me feel quite happy that it's